Let's implement a function to read the data so that we can verify in the main function. So here in slist, let's call it as a get function, and then position is provided, and then to read the data. Here, position means just assuming that the node at the very head is position 0 as if it's an array. Second one is position 1 and so on. Then by given position we want to read data in the node. That's the get function. So get function will be something like this: int slist get int position is provided, const, since we don't change any member variables in the slist class. So the validity of a position assert that position provided should be 0 or positive. That's the condition. And the position should be less than size. So the last index, if this is an array, is a size -1. So that's the valid condition. It's a count actually. It's there. So that's the requirement to have this valid check. Then how do we read the data? So let me redraw the picture. So we have a list object here, some list, and then suppose we have a node, 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 node. This is the last one, and then we have a data there, and then we have a link. So this one is last one is null. So this one is pointing to next one, next one, next one, and the like. Then tail is the last node, and then head is the first node, and this is a count. So assuming the first node position 0, 1, 2, 3, and the like. So to find a node at position pos, we need to move through the link. So to get to this one, so beginning with the head, head is pointing to this one. So to get to the next one, head arrow next is this one. So let me change color, and this one is a head arrow next. That is this variable then is having address of this one. So the next one is then head arrow, not next actually, member variable name is link. Head arrow link is address of this one. From this arrow link again, then is this member and the pointing to this one. So beginning from head, we need to move through the links to reach at the specified position. So that is the idea. So let's begin with the head. Then let's move through the link 0 pos times. Let's move through the link. So once you move to the next one, twice, next one, and so on. So you just repeat that one for pos times. Then you reach at the desired position, then return the data. Then that's how to read the data at specified position. So in the main function, so at this moment, let me stop debugger, assert m.get 0. The very first one is a 5, and then get 1 at position 1 is a 6, and the like. Append 7, then 7 is at position 2. That's what we desire. In the terminal, compile and run. That failed. Oh, this we have added appended a 7, so it's a 7. So this value is a 7. Compile and run, And then we have checked the get function this way.